Welcome traders to this special trade setup that we are going to follow today based on price action, Elliott Wave, volume and momentum. Here we have the oil market. The price has been going higher, and let's start thinking about these setups. So right here, traders, let me just a little bit to the right. There we go. So right here we have a fast leg up, as we can see, with good volume. The volume is increasing. The volume is quite powerful and makes sense with the price, because that increase in volume, the cost of this volume is that that bar, and this is the, let me figure this out better, and this is the result of that volume. So big volume, big range in price, big advance in price. Okay, that makes sense. But then we have a similar volume here, and look at the difference. So now it's a more range candle that is not able to break out the highs. Actually, it's a red candle and is not showing the same result as the one before. Then traders, the price builds the wave 4. This is the wave 3. Then we have the wave 4, and we're expecting the wave 5. During the wave 5, as we can see in terms of momentum, on the MACD is losing momentum. So we have the MACD having troubles to continue with that momentum. Of course, that means that the price is moving up at a slower pace, but the volume again is quite the same here, a little bit lower, but quite the same. And we are seeing smaller candles with a bigger volume. That's completely abnormal. Also, traders, we have our indicator. The heading line is this blue line here, that, as you can see, while the price is going up, the indicator is selling off. We wait for the divergence and we wait for the completion of the wave count, but something that we know with a high probability is that we can start looking for selling. We can start looking for the leg down. But of course, once the price makes here the fresh high and rejects, something that we can do is wait for the price to move to that area, and we can go to lower time frames and find a faster entry point, right? So in this case, for example, on the 5-minute chart, we can come here, and the first entry point is this one here. Please write in the comments if you have a clear price action trigger. Let me know if you have a clear price action trigger. This will be ours on the 5-minute chart. And let's go back to the hourly chart. So also let me know in the comments if you know how to, if you have a technique to start booking profits during the road. So in this case, traders, we're looking for at least the price to sell off back to the 68, 80s. Could be more, but so far the setup is showing a 1 to 20 risk-reward ratio. It's important to trigger the trade with a small stop loss, because as you can see, that's going to make a bigger the result. And with our indicator telling that the price is going to continue lower after this candle, we can book some profits, but we can hold part of the trade. Then traders, in this narrative, we have the next candle gapping down, the next candle moving lower. So far we're getting closer to the target zone. The indicator keeps selling and selling, and we have a retrace, which we can take some profits there. And here we go again. So because it's breaking the level with a big candle and the momentum is increasing, we can keep the trade active. The price accelerates, And there, traders, so far, we still have the trade. We haven't closed the trade. So far, we have a 1-to-35 risk-reward ratio. And if we trigger on the 5-minute chart, if we trigger here on the hourly chart, the stop loss will be bigger, so probably 1-to-10 at that stage. And here, look at, we have the green candle. For the very first time after the drop, we have a green candle. That could be a reason, and also the MACD is changing color in the histogram. That would be a reason to book some profits or either to close the whole trade. And at that stage, we got a beautiful trade, and we can keep the trade if we like for a little bit longer, or a smaller position. It's possible to keep it for longer, or close the whole trade. Well, it depends how you are managing the trade right there. But this is a crystal clear trade, and the point is that we get to the entry point thanks to the momentum, the volume, the indicator, and Elliott Wave. That's our combination. We combine price action with Elliott Wave, with volume and momentum. And that creates these beautiful type of setups. If you want to be part of our community of traders, learn these techniques, we have ElliottWaveStreet.com. On ElliottWaveStreet.com/membership, all the details. There you can join us, be part of the community, be part of something bigger, and access our live trading room. We cover these setups every day during the New York mornings on the live markets. So please have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll see you inside the membership. Take care. Bye-bye.